Are you looking for the Robocist 850 Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner we've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features. Design. The design of the Robocist is simple from the outside. The only button on the vacuum itself is the power on-off button. All other controls or settings can be adjusted using the remote controller, the smartphone app. Brushes and wheels. The underside of the vacuum is pretty simple. It has all of the typical things you'd find on most other robot vacuums, including spinning brushes, used to capture dirt and debris from edges and corners, and pulls it into the cleaning path of the Robocist. Brush roll. Located in the middle of the vacuum and uses a dual design of soft spiral bristles and a rubberized sweeper blade to pull debris from the floor into the dustbin. Directional wheel. A smaller directional wheel at the front of the vacuum is used to steer and turn the vacuum as it navigates the space. Navigational wheels. Two large wheels on either side of the brush roll help navigate across varying floor types, adjusting suction as needed. Charging contact plates. Two small plates on either side of the directional wheel ensures that the vacuum is charging properly when it returns to the docking station. Cleaning modes. This Robocist robot has 4 distinct cleaning modes. Edge mode runs a cleaning cycle around the perimeter of the room. Auto mode allows the vacuum to adjust mode and suction power as needed, returns to base when cleaning is complete. Spot mode focuses the cleaning in a radial pattern starting in the area where you put it. Low noise mode, best for running light cleaning cycles at a lower decibel level. 3 setup modes. For scheduled setup, you can use the app to schedule cleaning cycles on particular days or at particular times. For smarter setup, install the Robocist app on your smartphone and pair the vacuum to your Wi-Fi network. This will allow you to control the robot using your smartphone. For instant setup, just press clean. The vacuum will begin an auto cycle. You can also use the remote control immediately without any additional setup. Pros. Long 100-minute run time. Cleaning low and high pile carpet. Smart app, voice and remote control. HEPA filtration system. Cons. Difficult to get replacement parts. Struggles with finer debris on carpeted floors.